Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to connect your Wcoin to Trust Wallet for the 20 million Wcoin pre-listing airdrop campaign plus 2,000 exclusive Trust Wallet Wcoin NFTs collaboration. Alright, open the app. If you haven't joined Wcoin, check video description for the link to play the game. Once you open the game, you can go to Task to complete 5 simple tasks to join the campaign. You can see here I have already completed all the tasks. Now, go to your home screen. To connect your Trust Wallet, you tap this wallet icon on the upper right corner. Here, you paste your TAN deposit address from Trust Wallet. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, install it on your phone. It's available on iOS or Android devices. Once installed, open your Trust Wallet app. Under Home, you scroll down and tap on Manage Crypto if you haven't added TAN. Then search TAN here. Make sure it's TAN under TAN Coin Network. Tap the toggle to activate. Go back to your wallet and you will see here TAN is already added. Click on it. Tap on Receive button and copy your deposit address. Go back to Wcoin app and paste it here. Awesome, it's connected now. That's how simple you connect it to Trust Wallet. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.